Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to my another video, and today something special is gonna happen on the vlog. So please watch the video till the end, and once my friends reach here, then I'll catch you guys later. Boom. Yo guys, I just quickly changed up and now I'm just gonna visit my friend, and there I'll be reviewing his bike, and let's go. Yo guys, as you can see, I just finally came to my friend. He's Ayush, and now we'll be reviewing his Yamaha R15 as you can see. So let's get started. Yo guys, now I'm with my friend as you can see. Hi. And today we'll be reviewing his R15, and that's the beauty standing over there. And let's review this bike guys. And now guys, I would just like to tell you some small things about the R15. I am not typically a racing bike guy. As you can see, my bike is standing over there. I'm totally opposite, but I just like this bike. I don't know why, I just like this bike. So let's get started and give you a brief overlook. So you guys, as you can see, this is the Yamaha R15 2017 edition, and so this is the instrumental cluster. Not much has changed. It has got a digital speedometer and fuel indicator as you can see, and this is the engine kill switch, and that's the pass light. And it has got all-day headlights on system, as the motor vehicle norms has changed in India. So all the bikes are getting this with BS4. So not much, and he has done a little change in the indicator system. This is a switch he has applied for hazard lights. That does not come in built with this bike, but you can do it, as you can see. So these are the hazard light guys I'm talking about. That was my basic overview guys. So now start this baby up and listen to its exhaust. That was nice revving from the Yamaha. As it's the stock exhaust, so it's not that loud, but my friend will be changing exhaust, and then I'll take this bike again from him, and then we'll listen to the exhaust. And now we'll take this baby for a little ride and see how this bikes perform on the road. Let's get started guys. Motorcycle is a pleasure to ride bike, and it's a joy ride completely, as you just put your hand on the throttle, it just swoosh away. That's the best part I like about it, and it has aggression in it. And it, as if you people, most of the people don't know that the racers use this bike for the training, to just go on the track. Those who are the beginners, they go for this bike as a trainee bike, and it's a good bike for those who want to pursue motorsports, or those who like racing, and those who like speed. And it was a fun ride to drive this motorcycle, and till now it's the end, and I'll catch you guys later. Yo guys, now we are heading to 10 Face to eat some chicken sandwich. So once we reach here, I'll catch you later. Yo guys, we finally made it over here, and now we are at the Green Chick shop. It's in Phase 10 in Mohali, and they give the best chicken sandwich ever. Yo guys, finally our food came here, and now I'll just catch you after I finish eating, guys. Yo guys, now we are finally home, and now it's time to say goodbye to my friend. Bye. And now it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful baby. We enjoyed with this, and for next time, peace. Yo guys, now as I am home, I would just like to tell all my viewers that please do wear a helmet while riding your motorcycles, and please do wear all your safety gears, as while riding even I wear my safety gears and my helmet because safety is our first priority. Today in my video I wasn't wearing any helmets because I was reviewing a bike in a local area and just on a short ride. So while going on long rides or going anywhere, please wear a helmet as it's a safety gear and safety comes first. Yo guys, until next time, signing off. Peace.